Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Verna's infotainment to ACC or on so the Bluetooth module is active. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and set it discoverable. This lets the car find it. Once done, open the car's Bluetooth or phone pairing menu. You're initiating the handshake now. Make sure Bluetooth audio and phone call permissions are allowed on the phone so contacts and media transfer later. This first step establishes the radio link you'll confirm in the next screen. You'll see your phone appear on the Verna's device list. Select it and the car will display a PIN. Compare that 6-digit PIN to the number shown on your phone. Confirm the match to prevent connecting to the wrong device. After acceptance, the car will request contacts and media access. Allow both so calls, caller ID, and music work. Once accepted, the unit and phone exchange profiles and save each other as a trusted device for future auto connects. You complete setup by testing. Place a call and play a song to verify microphone, speakers, and steering wheel controls work. If everything is okay, set the phone as priority or enable auto connect in the car's Bluetooth settings so it reconnects automatically. If it won't connect, one key fix is to remove existing pairings on both phone and Verna, reboot the phone and the head unit, then redo pairing. This clears stale profiles and usually resolves handshake errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.